girl Keandra, and I'm back with another video. And this video is going to be a hair review, and this hair was sent to me by UNice hair, so if you want to see what they sent me, then stay tuned. Okay, so in this package you will receive a wig cap, some adjustable straps, or if you want to add those to your wig, and of course the wig. This wig is 18 inches, and this is this overly popular blonde highlighted wig that I've seen all over YouTube, except this one has bangs. So right now I'm showing you that this did not come with any combs. It did have adjustable straps in the back, but if you wanted to add the elastic band that came with it, you could. So I'm just trying the wig on. It is very snug, fit my head perfectly. Now I'm just combing through the hair, trying to see what I'm gonna do with it, because I'm really not a big fan of bangs. I was trying to part it and I realized that there's no lace. It's not a front lace wig, so this wig can be glueless, but you have to basically wear the bangs. There's no way to opt out of the bangs. So I was trying to see what it would like half up, half down, which I may do that in another video and curl it and make it cute, but I'm just going to straighten the wig how it is. This is just my initial review of the wig. The hair took heat really well. It was very easy to flat iron and all of that. It was really soft. It didn't have a weird smell, and yeah, so I'm just going to let the music play and let you guys watch me style this wig. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to get this wig if you like. I'll have it down in the description box below.